everyone. I hope you and your family is safe inside your house during this lockdown period. Welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. I am Dr. Rashmi. Today I am here to talk about one habit that is going to help you to be in the positive mindset. This need not be only practiced during the lockdown, but it can be used through your life so you can be in a positive mindset. Because being in a positive mindset is most important so that you can be happy and healthy. So the one habit that you can develop to be in the positive mindset is attitude of gratitude. So let's understand what is attitude of gratitude. So here it's a consistent and on a regular basis you are grateful and thankful for what you have. So this is irrespective of it being a smaller thing or a bigger thing. Okay, so here you are going to be thankful about what you have and you are going to be grateful about what you have, the smallest of small thing. So if you concentrate on what you have on a regular basis, then you are sure to see much more things that you are always blessed with. Let's understand the benefits of attitude of gratitude. Gratitude makes you feel more content about what you have. And practicing gratitude in a consistent basis will help you have a more contentment in your life, and it also gives you more satisfaction towards your life. And this also improves and enhances the positive feelings like happiness, joy, pleasure, enthusiasm, and all other positive emotions which are very important irrespective of the environment you are existing. So the more positive emotions you have from within, it hardly makes any difference how your surrounding environment and emotions around it are running through. And last but not the least, it also reduces your stress level, anxiety level, or even when people are going through a lot of depression. So these are the benefits which we can make use of by just simply following attitude of gratitude. You have understood what is attitude of gratitude and what are the benefits that you can derive by following it regularly. Let's understand how to develop an attitude of gratitude. So the first simple thing that you can do to get into the habit of developing an attitude of gratitude is start writing it out. So when I say start writing, you can keep a separate diary or a notebook for it. Nothing fancy, okay, just simple notebook, and start practicing it to write whatever you are thankful about in your life and what is the relation that you are more grateful about and what is the situation that you are in currently you are grateful about. And let me give you simple examples like, I'm grateful that I'm living with my family at this time, and I'm happy that I'm thankful that I am able to spend more time with my family. I'm happy that my family is safe. So these are the few tips or simple examples that I can give you when you are writing it down. So start with the smallest one, then you can start adding, being observant about how it is progressing on. So make it a habit to develop it, write it for 21 days without a break before you start observing any changes in your habits or in your positive mindset. So when you just start with the simplest one, then you be consistent about what you're thankful about. Then you can add more stories and color to it, and then you can add emotions that will make it into a reality slowly. Okay, so this is one practice which you need to start with before you start changing your mindset into a positive one. So this way, first step is going to be start writing it down. So maybe you can do it twice in a day, because now you have ample amount of time in hand. Start early morning as soon as you wake up from bed. Be thankful that you are up and you're still breathing and you have one more day to have fun, learn and enjoy your life. Okay, so that is one time you can start. And you can also, before going to sleep, you can add another time of entering a journal by writing what you're thankful about. So this way, and also if you feel any time, you're let down or you're feeling little low in your emotion, then you start reading the journal or you can make new entries. So this is one way you will be able to cultivate attitude of gratitude. The other thing that you can do is talk more about what you're thankful in life. Okay, the more you are expressive about how thankful and happy you are with whatever you have, the more things will come towards you. Or rather than you have it around you but you're not able to see because you're not very thankful and grateful for what you have. Or you may be ignorant that you had it. So the more you start observing what you have, the more you see other things which are also there and you're grateful for. The talking about the attitude of gratitude doesn't mean that you should be, more waiting for more special occasion or, special people. It can be as simple as you had a good meal or you had a nice sleep for the day. So when you start with the smaller things, you will be seeing more grateful things which you are blessed with. So if you have the habit of meditation, then there's nothing like it. But if you don't lose heart. Maybe take a few seconds or minutes of 86,400 seconds that you have in a day. So be thankful for what you actually have and which is making you happy. So that way you are more happy that you have content life. So if you're not taking time off to be thankful of what you have, then you may be feeling let down because of the things that is happening around you. The more emotionally you get attached to what you are expressing, it will be more better for you because your body not only physical form of your body but also your emotion starts registering how you're feeling and how much you're connected to what you're sharing about or talking about. So this will have a lot of impact on your mind by releasing a lot of chemicals because you're putting in that positive emotion into your mind, which will indirectly help you to be happy and content. So God gave you a gift of 86,400 seconds today. How many of them have you used to be thankful for what you have? So thank you for listening. Have a great day. See you soon. Keep smiling.